Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain after opening the Fall Guys right in your console, whether it's an Xbox or PlayStation or another Switch, we need to map Epic Games account. If you don't have the account, you need to create it. If you have already account, you need to sign in. Okay, this video is absolutely for beginners. Okay, after opening the Fall Guys, you will be receiving this page. If we have not connected our Epic Games account, for example, this is a PlayStation console. I just want to show this user ID. Going to home screen and going to profile. So you can see this is the PSN ID, Wiki the Gamer SG. So this ID I need to map with this Epic Games account for Fall Guys. Even if you're playing Rocket League, you need to do the same. So now I'm going to create an account. I don't have account, so I'm going to create it. So tab is create account. Here you can see create your Epic Games account. I have to accept the terms and conditions and then tap on continue. Here you can see the PSN ID, which will be your Fall Guys ID. If you want to change the Fall Guys user ID, you need to change this, not from Epic Games. Epic Games user ID will work only for PC. So I'm going to tap on this continue. Automatically your account will be created. You need not to provide any user ID and password. So you can see this Fall Guys user ID is the same as PSN. So if you want to change it, right, you need to change the PSN. Okay, fine. We will check in the Epic Games account, how it is mapped. Open browser on your mobile or PC and go to epicgames.com. And here just click on the sign in. So here, right, already we have connected, right, our PlayStation account. I'm going to use the same login. So we need to use the same login. So I'm going to choose this sign in with account for PlayStation Network. So provide your email ID, click on next, enter the password, sign in. Verification code is received. So this is the verification code. You need to check your email. You will be receiving verification code. Enter the same. Tap on verify. Super cool. Verification is completed successfully. Here you can create your Epic Games account. If you're using Xbox, it's the same procedure. Here you can choose the display name. Here you can provide any email address and password, but I'm going to give the same account which I'm using for console. And check this box and continue. So check your email. You will be receiving verification code that we need to enter here. Verification code is received. Verify email. I am getting the error because display name is not allowed, so I am going to change it. Display name is changed and again going to continue. Super cool. Now my Epic Games account is successfully created. So you can see your connected accounts under settings. So you need to click on this profile and go to account. Under account, right, you can see this email ID and here go to connections and we need to click on this accounts. Here you can see my connected PlayStation Network in Epic Games. If you have connected for Xbox or Nintendo Switch, that also will be displaying here. Once you created your Epic Games account, right, you can add Xbox account and Nintendo Switch as well. And also if you want to disconnect, you can simply disconnect it. Unlink PlayStation Network from this account, you will no longer be able to use this store progression. If you are okay for everything, then click on unlink. So that's it, friends, is the way you can create Epic Games account and map PlayStation Network or Xbox or Nintendo Switch. So that's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put comments and feedback in media forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.